I'll be taking you through division of sorts. Division of sorts. Now, it's either we call it division of sorts or rationalization method to divide or to rationalize. Now, to rationalize a sort simply means to make sure that we don't have sort as at the denominator. These are sorts at the denominator. We must not have sorts at the denominator. That's the meaning of rationalization. Still the same thing as division. Now, I want to divide this or I want to rationalize this. It simply means I must do everything to take away the sort from the denominator. So how do I do this? Simple. To rationalize this of a single term, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator with a sort at the denominator. That is 6 root over root 13 times root 13 over root 13. Can you see that now? I multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same thing at the denominator. Now, 6 times root 13 is 6 root 13. Root 13 times root 13, don't forget, in my previous videos on sort, root 13 times root 13 is 13. So we have over 13. Now, 6 cannot divide 13 and nothing can divide. So that's the answer. As simple as that. So that's the division of that. Number 2, you have root 5 over root 2. Just the same thing as number 1. Equals root 5 over root 2 times root 2 over root 2. Now, root 5 times root 2, by now you know it's root 10 over root 2 times root 2 is what? Now, don't forget root 2 times root 2 will be 2. Now, this is the answer. Now, please, don't make that kind of mistake that you will use this 2 to divide this 10. It's not possible. Why? Because root 10 is under root, it's a sort, and 2 is a whole number, so they cannot divide each other. Now, let's solve for number 3. Let's solve for number 3. Number 3, now we have this. When you have bigger numbers like these under the sort, you first simplify. So we first simplify this. That is 5 root 7 times 2 root 3 over, and if you simplify 45 is 45 is 9 times 5. And root of 21 could be left as 21. Why? Because you can only express 21 as product of two factors, as 7 and 3. 7 is not the perfect scale. 3 is not the perfect scale. So that's why we leave 21 as it is. Now this becomes 5 root 7 times 2 root 3 over 3 root 5 times root 21. I can understand how I got 3. The square root of 9 is 3. Now what do I do here? I can multiply now. I can multiply. So this becomes, I multiply the ones outside the root with each other and those under the root with each other. Get that? So 5 times 2, 10. 7 times 3, 21 over, now this I have 3 times 1 here. That's 3 root 5 times 21 is 105. 105. Now don't forget, in one of the rules of indices in my videos, Basics of Sort, make sure you watch that. I can write this as 10 over 3 into 21 over 105. It's the same thing. Now, 21 here, 1, 21 here, 5. So this becomes 10 root 1 over 3 root 5. This is same as 10 over 3 root 5. Now don't forget, sort must not be at the denominator. So we have to rationalize that. Now I want to rationalize 10 over 3 root 5. We rationalize 10 over 3 root 5. Don't forget how to do that. That equals 10 over 3 root 5 times 3 root 5 over 3 root 5. And that gives us 30 root 5 over 3 times 3 is 9. Now root 5 times root 5 is 5. So that 9 times 5 is 45. Now, this gives me the answer. But mind you, I can still simplify this. So this gives me, 5 here, 6, 5 here, 9, right? 3 here, 2, 3 here, 3. So I have 2 root 5 over 3. And this is our final answer. You see that this is very simple. Rationalization of a sort or division is a very simple thing in mathematics.